Hello everyone! Let's make this no-bake, easy-to-make tiramisu. If you're new to my channel, welcome! Don't forget to subscribe! In a large bowl, combine 1 cup whipping cream, a 1/3 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Beat on high speed until soft peaks form. Add 1 cup mascarpone. Whip until just combined. Make sure to watch the entire video for added tips. Prepare 1½ cups coffee and let cool at room temperature. Quickly dip the ladyfinger or browas in coffee. Then arrange in pan. Top with cream frosting. Then spread evenly. Make another layer and repeat the same process. Do you love no-bake desserts? Dust with cocoa powder. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours to set. Now, let me give you some tips. Make sure not to overbeat the cream because the more you beat it, the more it turns into liquid. If this happens, then you have to make another batch. Again, beat until just combined and cream is thick and fluffy. Do not soak the ladyfingers in coffee or they will fall apart. Try my recipe and let me know what you think in the comments. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com. Thanks for watching!